am in my living room about to clean and decorate for fall. Everybody doing it, I might as well join them. And see how it look. I'll be back in 2.2 seconds. Guys, I'm getting it together. I'm gonna put the pumpkins on here. And some down there. I'm about to put some over here. And yeah, see how it's gonna look. I am done in here for now. I'm working on my covers so I can put my pillows and throws on here. I'm about to go in this kitchen, wash the dishes, and do a little decorating in there as well. Okay, so we are going to get started. You know how to make me jealous. I was never loyal, let you rally, yo, but I'm ready to fix it if you ready, baby. Yeah. So give me all of you in exchange for me. Just give me all of you in exchange for me. For me. Yeah. Is you at 2 keys or 10 roof? Turn up, we until we just getting loose. Maybe I'm low key feeling you. Don't be cynical, won't fuck you over. Wanna fuck you over. And again, the truth is I ain't really hit a spot by. But I swear to God, never say they got him. Know how bad you wanna tell him, don't try him. I don't wanna tell him, let's surprise him. I don't wanna get into it while you stressing. Get me a new candle lighter. Got your ass in my grip, college. Make you wanna strip for the college. So good. And I got a little stuff up there. And I'm still waiting on my stuff to get done washing, but I got this done. It looks so good down there. And this is so adorable. I love it, y'all. I got my pumpkins down there. And yeah, once I get my covers on, it's gonna look so good. Alright guys, I need to show you the living room. I am done with the covers are on the dryer. And as you can see, little bad boys up there relaxing on the throne. Yeah, this is for my fall season. Pumpkin out. Fix my poofy poof. Little poof. Extra poofy poof. Move that over here. I like that better over there. So yeah. It's nice and clean and looking so good for the fall. There's bad little boys over there chilling, relaxing on the throne. He love it too. It looks so good. I put my little table right here, my big one over there, and I got so much room, and I love it this way. I love it this way. I think I'm going to get me a round table. Once I get some new tables, I think it's going to be round. It looks so good. I'm definitely loving how everything is. Alright, y'all, we are here at Goodwill today. It's Sunday. Ooh, I like these, Andres. Look. Listen, they got some cute things up in here at the Goodwill. Andy, I love these. Oh wow, so cute. They got their little sections color coordinated. So black over there, brown. Here's the blue section. They got all these blue cups. Ooh, this vase is pretty.
That is pretty.
Oh, I can't wait to. I'm gonna let it alone. I'm gonna let it alone. They got some cute stuff, y'all. Oh, that is simple. Yes, like on a bookshelf or something. Maybe with one like a hydrangea or something in there. Yeah, pink and red section right here. And then we got yellow and orange. Bowl look like Granny Punch Bowl. Look. Good afternoon, guys. I am here in the fall evening. I did